those beautiful beef back ribs. Alright, look all that meat. 3 big ribs. We're gonna add some salt. We're gonna cook them this side up, back side up. And we're gonna cook them for a long time. So we're gonna go in the oven at 220 degrees for about 5 hours. And then we'll reduce that temperature to 200, and then for another hour, and then we'll pull them out. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so it's really important that you wrap these ribs very well.
That way you make sure the moisture stays inside and the ribs will be juicy.